Hey everybody, it's Alan Lepofsky here, and this is my Endy Mattress, Canadian-made Endy Mattress unboxing video and review. Enjoy! Hey everybody, Alan Lepofsky here, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing and installing video of this new Canadian-made Endy Mattress. I'm going to be replacing this old mattress with this memory foam in the box mattress, and we'll see how it goes. So first step is I gotta get rid of that huge big mattress. It's definitely a two-person job, but I'm only one person today, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so the next stage is opening up this big box. Open here. One, two, and voila, we have okay, there you have it. It only took me, I don't know, 10 minutes or so to get rid of the old mattress, unbox the new Endy, unroll it, unseal it, get it into place. Now I think I have to leave it for a few hours for the memory foam to expand before we give it the initial try. But so far so good. I think the biggest challenge for us is going to be it's so much shorter. It's about 6 or 8 inches shorter than the huge mattress that we just removed. So if we love the feel of the Endy, but maybe miss the height, I think we may have to replace our box springs. I think we have half height box springs because that old mattress was so huge. So we may end up needing to get box springs, but not gonna do that until we're sure of what we think of the Endy mattress. So I will be back later and we'll do the first, lie down and check it out. Bye. All right, so it's been, I think, 4 or 5 hours since I put down the mattress, and it's now expanded to, I guess, most of what its height is. They say it takes a few days till it's perfect firmness, but let's do my very first test of checking it out. Here we go. I guess the default is you have to do it, right? Okay, it's pretty comfy, so let's give this a little bit more of a test. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm ready. I'm excited tonight to have a really good sleep. Both my wife and I tend to move around a lot, so I think the thing I'm looking the most forward to is when one person moves, the other person doesn't. So that's what I'm looking forward to the most, and I guess we'll be able to give you some feedback tomorrow how we sleep. And then, we'll give it a month or two and we'll see what we think of the mattress. So super easy install. They say it takes 2 people. I actually did the king size myself. Hardest part was removing the old mattress, but getting the new one in place, opening up the packaging, letting it expand, super easy. And I'm excited. I can't wait to sleep on it tonight. Hey everybody, Alan Lepofsky here, and I wanted to finish off my review of the Endy king size mattress. You saw me do the unboxing part. Now it's been 3 nights of sleep on it, and while that's not the longest test in the world, I will say so far we're both very happy with it. My wife and I are different pattern sleepers, and with our old mattress, we were constantly waking each other up, and perhaps the most amazing thing I have found so far, and it could be specific to Endy, it could be just our first memory foam mattress, maybe it's a quality of all of them, but the fact that when one person moves, the other doesn't feel it. You've seen all the tests of like putting a glass of water on one side and jumping on the other side and it doesn't move. it's true. Like, it's fantastic. It's like being in two separate beds. I also find the firmness to be okay. I had heard some complaints about that, Endy's maybe a little bit on the soft side. I haven't tried the others. This isn't a comparison between the two. This is just a review of this one. But I have found it fine. I do not sink into it. I'm not the largest guy in the world. I'm around 150 pounds. And, I've been sleeping in it. And again, those 3 nights, combination of side sleeping. I tend to like grip my pillow and side sleep. And haven't had any problems shifting positions. Partially sleeping on my back. That's been okay, and so overall, I'm pretty happy. This little guy's been pretty happy with it as well. Einstein, do you like the new bed? Yeah, you think it's good? So he's been up here. I think he likes that this is about 8 inches lower than our old mattress, so it's easy for him to jump up on. So he's been enjoying it. So that's about it. We're gonna keep going with this for a month or so before we make our decision. But so far, no telltale signs of not liking it. No issues with the heat, feeling warm, feeling cold, etc. Over the next month or so, temperatures, we're right about the end of October, start of November now. Temperatures are going to be dropping outside. We're going to be turning up the heat inside the house. It'll be interesting to see, how things play out with the temperature changes. But so far, I'm absolutely happy to say that I am enjoying this Canadian-made Endy mattress. Alan Lepofsky, if you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.